I carry your heart with me. I carry your heart with me. I'm never without it anywhere. I go, you go, my dear, and whatever is done by only me is your doing, my darling. I carry your heart with me. I fear, I fear no fate, for you are my fate, my sweet. I want no world, for beautiful you are my world, my true, and it's you are whatever a moon has always meant to, and whatever a sun will always sing is you. I carry your heart with me. I carry your heart with me. Here is the deepest secret nobody knows. Here is the root of the root and the bud of the bud. And the sky of a tree called life, which grows higher than the soul can hope or mind can hide. And this is the wonder that's keeping the stars apart. I carry your heart. I carry it in my heart. I carry your heart with me. I carry your heart with me.